Oh. Okay. Yeah, there's a largemouth. Not bad. All right, still active, 54 degrees. All right, let's put him back. This one might be this one might be too big to flip in. All right. There's a beautiful smallmouth. Look at them colors. That's a beautiful fish right there. All right, I'm gonna put him back. Not huge, but guess what? That's a spotted bass. So today so far, smallmouth, largemouth, spotted bass. Good deal. Look at that baby. That is a beautiful smallmouth. The wind kicked up and it's cold now, but we're pushing through it. Look at that baby. Okay. Yeah, another beautiful smallmouth. What a day, boy. Beautiful smallmouth. And it's last hour, it got cold and windy. What a day. A little bit of sunshine, cloudy, sunshine, windy, cloudy. I mean, it's just been crazy today. That's a good sized spotted bass right there. Any day of the week. Take 5 of those babies. Yeah. Hey guys, Keith here, Keith Jones Fish Guide, Cumberland, Lake, Kentucky. Hey, I am here on New Year's Eve day, the whole day. It's getting crazy now. nicer day this morning. Winds were not bad at all. Had some good places to go fish. A little bit of sun came out. I was able to take my jacket off, put my jacket back on, take my jacket off. Now my jacket's back on. I got my snow hat on inside here, and it's getting cold now, so I'm done. Anyways, got a lot of fish today. Got the Tri-Fecta. Got all 3 species of bass: largemouth, smallmouth, and spot. Got some good ones. My biggest fish of each species came on top water. I fish top water year round. There's no fish for the active fish. And fish are like people. You got your, fish that want to be active and eat and run around, and you got your fish that want to just kind of hang out in deep water, and so I hunt for the active fish. I'm fishing mainly from 5 feet to 25 feet, and that's not hard to do here on Cumberland. You can be 20 feet from shore and be 40 feet of water. So anyways, top water, half of the day, swim bait. I had a chartreuse swim bait on earlier, and because we had all this rain, the water got a little bit foggy, so I've switched to an all white swim bait, and that was the ticket right there. It's not the same kind of a reel when is January, February, when the water's 40 degrees, it's real slow. I was still able to, the fish wanted it to be moving a little bit faster. So not a fast retrieve and not a slow retrieve, but in the middle was the ticket for the swim bait. And I also used crankbaits, chartreuse and white, skinny body, the real narrow ones. Did good on that. So not a bad day at all for the way the weather was, up and down everywhere. That one big largemouth, he's on a video. You'll see he's on there. I just filmed the whole thing because it was top water, and he just, as soon as that thing hit as soon as my torpedo hit the water, I did a couple whips, and boy, he was boom. I missed a lot of fish. They were, because the water's a little bit colder, they were short strikers. When I get a blow up on top water, I don't come back all real quick. I give it about 2 seconds, and then I set the hook. But these fish were slapping at it, so I probably missed more strikes and more fish than what I actually brought in today. So all in all, it was a good day. It's freezing. I'm gonna go home and warm up. Don't sell yourself short on top water. Never, never, never. Swim baits is a good tool. A couple days ago there was a tournament here, and I don't think they did too good. I was watching some of the people fishing next to me and around me, and everyone seemed to be using jigs and rubber worms, which I do, but I don't like to do. It's too slow fishing for me. I like action fishing, and I didn't see anybody pull anything up on jigs. So I guess that's just how it is. Anyways, it's been a crazy year. This is a closeout of the year. Ups, downs, highs, lows, hots, colds. We all go through our things in life, and this is just how it is. So let's say goodbye to that year and bring in this new year, and hopefully the way things are will be a whole lot better, and fishing gets a whole lot better. I know I'm happy for that. Anyways, have a blessed new year. Have a blessed evening today. Be safe, be careful, and we'll see you next year.